If 7x minus 4 9x equals 1/4 plus 5/12, what is the value of x? This question is just a straight up solve for the variable x. And the good news is on the left side, we have like terms, two fractions that have a common denominator already. So we don't have to do a whole lot of work with that. We might as well actually do that first. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is 3 over 9x. On the right side, however, we don't have like terms. Remember, we can only add fractions if the denominators are the same. So finding the least common denominator for 4 and 12, we find that it's 12. 12 is the smallest number that both 4 and 12 can go into. So we need to make this 1/4 have a denominator of 12. Why don't we multiply the denominator by 3? And if you do that to the denominator, you have to do that same exact thing to the numerator. So then we would have 3 over 12 plus 5 over 12, which becomes 8 over 12. And of course, we still have the 3 9s on the left side. By the way, 3 9s does simplify to 1/3. It's always better to simplify if you can, because you work with smaller numbers. And likewise, the right side can be simplified because 4 goes into 8 and also goes into 12. 4 goes into 8 twice and goes into 12 3 times. So 1/3 x equals 2/3. Now remember, to get rid of a fraction, the quickest and most efficient way is to multiply by its reciprocal. So times 3 over 1. And you can do that same thing. If you have to do that same thing to the other side if you've done it on the left. And of course, these cancel out. So x ends up being just 2 because the 3's cancel. So the answer to question 17 is just 2.